BioStorage Technologies is involved in the management of samples for the biopharmaceutical industry to help them develop new therapies for disease, to help them identify targets, and to help them understand more the nature of the disease. In managing the samples for the industry, we get involved in the transportation, the preparation of the sample, and the storage of the sample, which we do at really very high standards because meticulous storage and management is needed to ensure that these biomarkers or targets are maintained long-term for future research. So in essence, we're storing for the future. We've invested in some very sophisticated systems to record temperature, to ensure that the temperatures are maintained at the correct level. We're ranging from ambient right through to very significantly low temperatures with liquid nitrogen through refrigerated temperatures at say -70 or -80 centigrade. And all of this is recorded for future analysis to confirm that the samples are being kept correctly. And we also have built a very sophisticated software system to locate samples and also to maintain the data that could be associated with the sample, the age of the patient, the disease of the patient that the sample came from, and so on. Samples come into our facility, they've been transported here. Remember that Indianapolis is a logistics center, very large FedEx hub, so we start early in the morning, we get our samples in, they're then registered as having been received, and then they're passed on to our workstations where they're entered into our system and entered a unique place within our refreezers or within our liquid nitrogen setup so that they're then stored into the facility and then held long term until they're needed again. And obviously our clients who can come in over the web can see the samples that they've got and then order the samples they need, and then they can be overnighted to them again through the logistics hub at Indianapolis. We have found Indianapolis and Indiana a very good place to locate our business. It's been very business friendly, and for a service industry like ours, we've been able to find great staff, we've been able to find a great economic environment in terms of incentives, and from the logistics point of view, as mentioned, this cannot be equaled elsewhere. So as a result of that, we made a very important decision that we will continue to grow our business here, and we will continue to do that for many years forward. One of the major developments in medicine is the recognition that some patients do not respond to drugs whereas others do, and it's due to a genetic or a genomic reason. And as we examine the samples that we've taken from trials, such as in oncology and the treatment of cancer, we start to be able to pull out those groups which are responding and not responding, identify the genomic reasons, and potentially have tests which will identify the patients who are likely to respond to a particular drug. So this personalized medicine is becoming a reality today, and it will be of much greater importance in the future. So the need to have stored samples from these clinical trials is growing more important, and that's why we think our business is going to continue to grow very strongly over the next few years.
It's a great time to be at BioStorage Technologies. We've experienced a lot of growth and we anticipate more. We recently announced a $6 million investment for expansion of facilities, which will equate to about 125 new jobs here in Indiana. Many people don't realize that Indiana is a life science hub, and because of that, we expect to support our expansion plans of 125 new jobs with people who probably live right here in Indiana. At BioStorage Technologies, we're looking for dedicated, committed professionals who share the passion that we have for servicing our clients in every facet of our operations, including sales and marketing, operations, quality assurance, and logistics. With the increase of personalized medicine and biomarker research, there are a lot of companies in Indiana that are already supporting that progress, and BioStorage Technology is looking to use that kind of talent base to bring into what we're providing for our clients as well. It's an exciting time to be in life sciences here in Indiana, and we hope that people will consider BioStorage Technologies for their professional home.